kindergarten friends, it's Mrs. Offer and happy St. Patrick's Day. It's Tuesday, March 17th, and I'm so glad to see you. What? Well, I can't hear you. What? You said there's a leprechaun in my living room? No, that's silly. We're here to talk about CGI and wait. What? I don't see anything. Let's focus, mathematicians. We have some story problems to solve today, and they're all about leprechauns and gold. I want you to remember that when you problem solve, you can choose a strategy that works best for you. Let's take a look at our How Can I Solve a Math Problem anchor chart. Here it is. I can use a 10 frame. I can count on. I can use my fingers. I can draw a picture. Ooh, I love that strategy. I can write a number sentence. I can use mental math. I can use a number line. Ooh, I think that's my second favorite. I can count on to add and count back to subtract. I can use tally marks. You might even be able to use more than one strategy as you solve today's problem. Here we go. My first job is to write my name at the top. My next job is to read it. 6 leprechauns were counting gold pieces. 3 more came to join them. How many leprechauns were there all together? I'm going to highlight some important numbers that I notice in my problem. I noticed there were 6 leprechauns, and I noticed that 3 more came to join them. I also noticed this word join. That's going to tell me that I should, that's right, add. How many leprechauns were there all together? I'm ready to solve. Solve it. Show your answer with a picture or on the number line. And I'm going to do all of those strategies. I think I'm going to draw leprechaun hats because mathematicians can use symbols in their problem solving. My draw a picture strategy will be shown here. So I need to show 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to count and check to make sure I did the right amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? 3 more came to join them. So I'm going to add 3 more leprechaun hats to symbolize my leprechauns. So I have, that's right, I have 6 and 3 more. I'm going to add an equation in this empty space to match my picture. I know that 6 plus 3 more equals, you've got it, 9 is my total. Now I'm going to show how I can hop forward or count on using a number line. Here I go, I'm going to label it. Help me count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now I'm going to start, let's use green since it's St. Patrick's Day. I'm going to start at 6. It's my bigger number. And I'm going to do, you've got it, 3 hops forward. 1, 2, 3. And I landed on a total or a sum, good, of 9. Okay, it's time to write my equation at the bottom of my page. And since I already labeled it here, it will be easy to transfer. 6 plus 3. Oh, look, my equal sign is already done. Awesome. Equals 9. And I'm going to really check to make sure that my numbers are facing the correct direction. Lastly, I want to show my number bond, or my part whole. So I'm going to use the numbers from my equation and make a match. So my 2 addends, or parts, will go here, and my whole, or the sum, the total, will go here. I know that 6 and 3 make 9. I'm so proud of your problem solving, mathematicians. Now it's time for you to do some problem solving of your own. You could solve this very same problem in your own way, but if you're ready for a challenge, here are some alternative number sets. Listen carefully. 9 leprechauns were counting gold pieces. 4 more came to join them. How many leprechauns were there all together? And here's one more number set option if you'd like a super challenge. Here we go, listen carefully. 16 leprechauns were counting gold pieces. That's a lot. 13 more came to join them. How many leprechauns were there all together? Kindergarten mathematicians, if you're choosing one of the challenge number sets, 9 and 4, or 16 and 13, you may need to turn your paper over or get a blank sheet of paper to lengthen your number lines. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell.